Hey friends, it's Kevia. Welcome to Vlogmas days 8 and 9. So I'm just starting this day off with a little breakfast, making some avocado toast. I usually add lemon juice and grape tomatoes, but I was out of both, so I just made it work with what I had. And I was introduced to avocado toast when we lived in Hawaii. I had never eaten it before. You probably couldn't have paid me to eat it because of the way that it looks, but I am definitely hooked now.
Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle.
Alright, here is the whole set laid out, and when I tell y'all I'm so in love, I mean, it looks aesthetically pleasing, but hopefully it's a good quality when I cook with them. You know, that's the most important part. But definitely loving all the details, the colors, everything. I think for $89, this was a steal with everything that comes with this, especially these containers. I mean, you can never have enough of these, and they're actually, I want to say it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 containers, so they're all stacked inside of each other. And then these are always great to have so you won't scratch up your pots if you have to sit them inside of each other. And I really love the tops, like the lids. This is actually rubber, so when you put in your pot down, you know how you usually get that slam. And then it also has this little gap right there for the steam to come out. So yeah, if you're in need of some new pots, I would highly recommend the Time and Table collection as far as how they look now. I'm gonna come back and update y'all on how everything is when I cook with them, but they did get a lot of good reviews as far as people cooking with them, as well as how much they love the way they look. So yeah, I'm in love, in love, in love. And I will be going back to get more of that collection. You guys saw that I showed the oven mitts and towels and stuff. So I do want to go back and get some more items that they have. All right, I'm gonna put y'all on to this drink. It is the iced vanilla latte, and I usually get mine with oat milk. I got 2 pumps of sugar cookie syrup and the holiday sprinkles on top with light ice, and it's pretty good. I be trying to follow some of the TikTok trends, getting the holiday drinks. I can do some of them be too sweet, but mine always have to be with oat milk or almond milk. I wanted to give the boys' bathroom a good deep clean. I usually have my oldest clean the bathroom, but it was time for mama to step in because that deep cleaning needed to happen, especially before we had company. And it was given, this needs to happen off camera. My mom's with boys, if you know, you know, like y'all know the struggle when it comes to boys in bathrooms.
With an old school girl, old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out.
Alright, my husband did lay the carpet down. We still have to stretch it out a little bit. You can see like some bulkiness right up in that area. So we just need to stretch it more towards the ends to kind of flatten it out more. I will put a area rug out here as well on top of this just to kind of define the space. Once buying more furniture, I want to put a bistro table out here. So yeah, so we can eat out here sometimes. We do have a fire pit, so I'll put that in this area right here and then put the table here. So I just want like a small table, just so we can still, you know, be able to have some walking space. The patio is not that big and I don't want to overcrowd it, but I'm satisfied with it. So I'm gonna put some lights out here as well. In the springtime, put a ceiling fan out here too, because it does get really hot here in Georgia. So yeah, but we're pretty satisfied with it though. All right, y'all remember this table base? I know I showed this to you guys a while back and I told y'all I'm gonna try to do some type of DIY with it. This was originally supposed to be the base for the dining room table. I purchased this off of Facebook Marketplace. The glass did not come with it, but I was like, I'm gonna get a piece of glass cut. I could never find a reasonable place to cut it for me. Like everything was so expensive. So I just decided to go a different route and actually find a dining table. But I still wanted to make use of this. I was thinking about doing something else, like closing it in, like making some type of DIY drawers or something right here. And then I was like, well, maybe I can make it into a sofa table. So I purchased this craft paper and I'm just gonna get some plexiglass cut. I already went to Lowe's and they do have it there. So since Lowe's is closer to me, I'm just gonna go with Lowe's. But I'm going to measure this out. So just leave like an imprint on the paper. So when I take it to Lowe's, they can just go off of the measurements on the paper. That way it'll fit right inside of here. Because as you can see, like it has the grooves there. And I probably need to go and touch it up with a little bit of spray paint, but it's in pretty good condition. That way I could still sit decor on top of this. And I was trying to sell it, but I couldn't sell it. So I was like, whatever, I'll make use of it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that now.
I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing
what I did. I basically just took my finger just to make the imprint right here, because the glass will sit right inside of here. So it should be easy for me to just go ahead and cut it. So when I take it to the store, and they have some plexiglass already pre-cut, but they can cut it down for you if it's not the correct size. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out, and then I'll take it to Lowe's. And I did see some pre-cut, one that may fit this where they don't even have to cut it. But if they do, then that's fine. I'll just have them go off of this paper. All right, y'all. I found these trees at Hobby Lobby. Of course, everything is still 60% off. They were not the right color that I wanted, so I'm just going to paint them white using this Waverly chalk paint. And yeah, I'm going to sit these on the dining table. I know y'all still waiting on that video, but y'all know I have been struggling with my dining room. But yeah, I'm still gonna do that tablescape, and I wanted to use these trees on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint these now.
When it's my truth, I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, yeah. Put that on.
All right, I'm done, and I did about 3 or 4 coats of paint on each. So once I do the dining table, these are gonna go in the center.